Sisodiya Jewelers, Gold and Silver, 22 carat 916 specialist in Vanambadi, Amburpet, Tamilnadu. Please go and visit there. You will have a lovely collection for bride and for all occasion. See the visiting card. And can you please guess how much is this? And how many gram it's there? You won't believe it's just for rupees 5,000 and it's 1.5 gram. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. And if you have a time and if you want to buy a jewelry, please go and visit there.